if they tell you that men, they will be selling men's hair in a barber shop, will you believe it? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. Today I bring you the latest gist. Do you know what is going on? A girl was caught in Port Harcourt selling people's hair in a barber shop. They catch the girl inside barber shop where she they collect hair, men's hair, where they barb, when they barb, to sell to Yahoo boys for money rituals. Before now, it was women's pants, it was women's undergarments. But now, men's hair for money rituals. This is Ihe Owu Newete. Owu is a bastard. I did not make this up. You need to see this video for yourself before I dive into it.
You can't collect. Now this is your first time to go do this.
Don't be my first time. I don't do it for another place. I don't do it for Rumola. I don't do it for Rumokuta. I don't do it for Rumokuro side.
So they can't collect with hair.
No vex.
That's only they collect hair.
Yes.
They can't sell give which one.
They sell and give Yahoo boys.
How much do they pay for this hair they go collect?
At times 2,000, at times 3,000.
Oh, Jesus Christ. So if they go collect hair.
So you've seen it firsthand. It's not a skit. Forget that thing that they wrote. It's not a skit. Because some people are now saying it's a skit, it's made up. It's not a skit. Okay, so if you go to a barber shop, omo ije Opuee see before they walk you say walbat, Biko pack your hair and put inside nylon, because hair is now lucrative business for ritualists. Lucrative business. They pack people hair, it's what they sell them. You see how much she's selling it? 2K, 3K. Can imagine. You can imagine. Okay. On another news, 25 underaged Igbo girls missing from Ebonyi were found in Aguleri in Anambra State. 25 girls from Ebonyi State that their people thought that they are missing was found in Anambra State in a brothel. Do you know what they are doing? They are being used for Guinea prostitution. They are being used for runs. The street slogan, the Nigeria street slogan, they are being used for runs. It's not a made-up story. It's real. Girls, where they find for their village, they are now somewhere doing runs. 25. It's not 2, it's not 3. 25 human beings, girls, doing runs somewhere in Anambra looking for money. Watch this video.
Where in Aguleri? This is Aguleri. Aguleri. Morning Star Hotel. We got information yesterday that 25 children from Ebonyi State were missing, and they find and trace that they are located and doing brothel business. Underage girls from Abakaliki. They abducted them from Ebonyi and the other locations down to Aguleri, and this is where they are. This is where they are.
Why this one?
You can see them. 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 These are our complainants that have been looking for. For how long have you been looking for your daughter?
October.
Since October last year, 2025. Where is your daughter among them? Go and point your daughter. Go and bring your daughter. Go and bring your daughter.
Come here, all of you, come here.
Go and bring your daughter. This is your daughter. For how long have you been looking for her?
October.
October. Who is this lady?
It's her cousin that brought 3 of them here.
This is 3 of them.
Yes, cousin of this girl that brought all of them here.
Okay. And you have been looking for them since October last year?
Yes.
All right. How old are you?
15.
15. You, how old are you?
I'm 19.
How old are you?
16.
16. You enjoy doing this thing? Why are you here? Why are you doing this? Why are you not with your parents? Are you not afraid of HIV? What is your name?
My name is Divine.
Divine. How did the woman operate? How? Tell me.
It will be get to you.
I know a boy still, so I used to come and meet my sister because me and this one we are like this. So I used to come and meet this one. Me and her would be laughing. So there is one day we came, Robert, that cousin sister come and said, "Do we want to do travel?" Yeah, me and my sister say yes, we want to
Travel to where?
Insane Anambra. So me and my sister say we want to do travel. She come and say that it's closed, and me say like this I'm not doing anything. Let me do the travel so that I will help my family. Let me go and be saying this. If they pay me a month, I will carry it and send to my mother. My mother will carry it and buy something. So I come and read them. They come and say that is this work can I do it? I say no. I started crying. There is one lodge where we used to stay here before. I started crying. They said I will not work this work. That I will go that day. She said no, I will never go. That I will work.
Don't make noise. Yes.
That I walk that money they use and carry me here and give them far. Well, I don't want that money. They don't want to carry me. They are doing me turn. If I say I want to go, they carry me and my sister and go to ROC and go and do oaths. Say if we run, we are going to die. And
Or you run madness.
or I will run mad, or my family will die.
And that's why you are here.
We have planned and run before. They catch us, come and carry us back. So this is the second one.
How many men did you give you in a day to have sex with?
We used to wear pants and stay here, and because they will be coming. If I say if you are in your period now, you use that period and walk.
You will still use the period and fork.
They will carry cotton wool and fold and carry water and touch it small. Say let you put it in your toto so that if the man dies, blood will not stay in the bed. And anybody that asks you, do you have madam? Let you say no, you don't have madam. So that they will not come and catch them because they don't have madam.
All the way from Opuee State.
Yeah, the right thing.
Huh?
The right thing.
You said?
It's the right thing.
What she said is the right thing. Is it true?
Yes.
You see it?
Line up.
You see it? You see it?
Enter line. Stop. Good.
You are from where? Agua. Abia State. Where in Abia? Abreba. You? From where? From Niger State. Niger. Who carry you come here? Huh? Where is your sister now?
She's not here.
You from where? Enugu. Where in Enugu? You are from Osuka. Where in Osuka? Huh? Obama. Osuka. Yes? You from where? The same Osuka. Osuka.
When they're saying bad government, bad government boils down to literally everything. Everything. It will affect the young, the old, the black, the white. Bad government will affect everything. You can imagine, they are looking for money and they are missing and their parents are looking for them. Meanwhile, they are somewhere doing runs on the streets looking for money. Okay? Hana go by any means necessary. Because I know Zena, if on the streets, necessarily muke no with it. No na hogo. Umazibido. Jebe ka fogo. This is what unemployment is causing. And we're all, this is what is causing. Look at all of them dancing. Unemployment, it is bad. When they are saying bad government, look into, this is what it's causing. I am here to tell you, you need to stay woke. However you are going, you're coming, you're going, your people, your sister, your brother, if you barb hair, after barbing your hair, tuck your hair inside nylon because you don't see, say, hair is not lucrative business for DNA. The other ones where they find, they are somewhere doing one or two. Because if you are looking for your sister, see, then they are not somewhere they are somewhere doing street runs for money. Personally, I feel really bad watching these young girls because as you can see, these are young girls. Listen to what that girl is saying, that when they try to run away, they will bring them back and now use, hi Lord, young girls. And actually for parents and I say but they are somewhere. This is This is what unemployment, bad government can do to a country, because it will boil down to everything. People are thinking that bad government, it will not affect you. It will not affect you. It is affecting literally everything. The black, the young, the tall, the short, everybody, even Omanzin on a befa, the harmless children, the innocent children. It is affecting everybody. Because they are looking for, out of their will, they were taken. That woman, anyway, from this video, we got this video from the police. You know, this is first hand. They go for red-handed. Even their madam, they're caught red-handed, underage, out of their will. This is what is happening. This is what is happening in the country. So if you're looking for your loved one, please go, and before you start, go to those. They are there, because some people think that they are there. You can see mandi pempe, mandi togonogo, mandi taro, mandi buibo. As far back or as 1990, somebody wrote on the comment section that as far back as 1996, this is what they are doing. Probably one way or the other, Ofu will get pregnant and they'll start selling babies. This is how they start doing all these things. Anyway, I'm here to make you stay woke on what is happening. Every day, I bring you new gist and hot topics. Until I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell and support your girl. BVI Channel 1+. Peace out.